Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best tablets for drawing you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Want to buy a drawing tablet? As you might have expected, this is a challenging task. It's 100% true that there are several viable choices out there, regardless of your specific budget and needs. Throughout this guide, we've provided recommendations for artists of all skill levels, from professional artists trying to upgrade their current system to beginners learning the basics. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Wacom Cintiq 16. A more affordable tablet than other similar devices, the Wacom Cintiq 16 is an amazing entry-level device. Even though the Cintiq 16 may be dismissed by some designers for being entry-level, it comes with a surprise in the form of the Wacom Pro Pen 2. This pen has a sensitivity of 8192, outperforming many tablets of the same price range. In addition to its beautiful display, the tablet also comes with the quality that Wacom is known for. One of the best things about the Wacom Cintiq 16 is that it doesn't cost too much. Any designer just starting out would do well to start with this tablet. On number 4, Wacom Intuos Pro, medium. Although designers and illustrators do a lot of the same things, there are some key differences as well. In other words, graphic designers do not necessarily need as much room as illustrators do. Those features are what make the Wacom Intuos Pro medium such a remarkable piece of technology. With a touch ring, you can quickly access the tools and commands that you use the most. If you do this, you'll be able to keep your tablet and your keyboard in sync, thereby increasing your productivity. With the Pro, you can also pan and zoom with your fingertips, giving you full control over your work. On number 3, Wacom Cintiq 22. With its combined large drawing area, ultra-sensitive stylus, and comfortable drawing experience, the Cintiq 22 from Wacom is the best option on the market today. In addition to the stylus, the screen has a sapphire-coated surface that provides artists with a level of drag that will please any artist. This tablet features a level of quality that simply cannot be matched, even though it is not exactly affordable. On number 2, Wacom Intuos Pro, small. Wacom's Intuos Pro, small, tablet isn't fooled by its pro-looking moniker. Besides being highly affordable, the tablet is an excellent entry point for those who are just starting out or are looking to improve their skills. With a lightweight and a strong build, the Intuos Pro Small can withstand daily wear and tear. The tablet includes all the features and commands of its bigger brothers, and the Pro Pen 2 with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity gives you the tools you need to create impressive artwork wherever you are. On number 1, Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. Having to purchase an accessory every time you buy something is super annoying. Its box includes a stylus, which is a welcome addition. Despite its small size, it is extremely welcome. Anyone who tries the Tab S4 will find that it offers smooth and satisfying drawing capabilities. Although Android has a smaller number of drawing apps, iOS does have an advantage. Dex is Samsung's software that allows you to use the Galaxy Tab as a computer desktop. Galaxy Tab S4 is one of the best Android tablets available. While it is a bit expensive, it is a great all-purpose option. So guys, this was the video about the best tablets for drawing. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.